Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in for today. Yes, for today. In today's newspaper of Saturday, January the 22nd, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary puzzle. So now it's time for the last puzzle for today. And tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional in today's newspaper. Yes, those three I'm going to do tomorrow on Sunday, because tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will continue with this additional. All right, Tectonic with 4 stars. This will be number 4019. Yeah, 4019. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Yeah, I do not know. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. We see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Can we see here dual boxes? I see here one dual box, second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Yes, 5 dual boxes. Well, the dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here also a dual box. I do not know in which order, the 1 and the 2, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here again the 1 and 2. Do not know in which order. Okay. Then the following question, can you see here the trip box? Do we have here any triple boxes then? No. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction. Yeah. Alright. Remember, if you see this Z construction or S construction, if it's flipped or mirrored, it's a S. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has always the same number as that box. But also, that box has always the same number as this box. Yeah. That box has always the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Do we have more in this puzzle? No. Then the following figure or shape. How about this shape? This shape, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, in this puzzle, no more. Then the following figure. How about this figure? We have, let me draw this here then. Okay. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright. No more of this kind shape in this puzzle. And then we have one final shape here. Let me draw this here. Alright. This one. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4. There are more. I believe there are 6, but not in this puzzle. This puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get started filling the numbers. We have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark those. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 5. Okay. We have this box cannot be a 1 or a 5 because we have a double 1 here and a double 5 there. So if I place a 1 here or 5, I cannot fill any 5 or any 1 there. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. It cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. It cannot be a 3. It can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. This box I've marked with 1 and or a 5. So this box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and a 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 1. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, okay. That means that those two boxes can be 3, we have a double 3 there, and these two boxes can be a 5, we have a 5, double 5 there. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Alright. So now we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. These two boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So now we have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. 1, 2, 5. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? Let me see. I've marked those two boxes with a 2, but this box cannot be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there in this dual box. So it's not the solution place the 2 there. The 2 supposed to be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those two boxes with a 2, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. Then. Well, this box cannot be a 4. But also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Oh. We have a double 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, okay. So this box can be a 4, and that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that these two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, and that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Supposed to be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 5. Well, we have a double 5 there, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Alright. We have a 1 here, so these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1, that box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Okay, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Okay. I think this box. No, don't think too much. Let me see. Ay. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those, a 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 5, not a 4. So I've eliminated a 4, 3 and a 5. That means 1 box left. I've eliminated 4. So the 4 should be there. And these two boxes should be a pair, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those, a 3 and a 5, okay. Let's go here. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And I've eliminated the 1. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. So this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 5. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, it's not a 4 stars. It's not a 3 stars. It's a 2 stars again, because for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes, and for 4 stars 30 minutes or more. So I'm very pleased with the time, but I'm again disappointed in the publisher because I've told it several times. The Tectonic with 4 stars is not a quite good indication for 4 stars. Every time it's 2 stars or 3 stars, but not a 4 stars. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, another day. And we have 3 puzzles left for tomorrow, for Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. And we will meet again very soon. Bye-bye for now.